Hi guys, continuing with our Ganesh Chathurti series, today I will show you how to make Karjikai or sweet kadabu, also called Karigadubu. This is compulsorily prepared as prasada for Ganesha festival in my house. I have roped in my mom to make this dish today, so lots of love and hugs to her. This is the list of ingredients required. For the outer covering or pastry, take 3/4 cup chiroti rava or bombay rava. This is a very fine sooji or semolina. To this, add half cup maida, 1 pinch salt and 1 pinch baking soda. Add 2 tablespoons melted ghee and mix well till you get a crumbly mixture like this. This is important to get a flaky karjikai. At this stage, you should be able to press and form a ball like this. Now, start adding water, only 1 to 2 spoons at a time, and start mixing the dough. Do not add all water at once, adjust according to the consistency required. The dough will slowly start coming together. You will need a total half cup water to make a soft chapati consistency dough. Knead the dough for 5 minutes. At this stage, you should have a clean plate and clean hands. This means the dough is of the correct consistency. Cover it with a cloth and rest for half an hour. Meanwhile, prepare the filling. Take 2/3 cup grated copra or dry coconut, 2/3 cup sugar, 4 powdered cardamoms, and about 20 raisins and cashew nut pieces. Mix them well. By now, our dough has rested and relaxed well. Form 9 balls. Because of the semolina or sooji, the dough is not very soft and smooth. So, start pressing, rolling and kneading each ball like this. This will make it soft. Then, an extra step to get a flaky layered outer covering, form a spiral like this. I will show you again how to do it. Once the balls are ready, roll into thin discs. Dust with maida to prevent sticking. As the dough is soft and well rested, it will be very pliable and you will be able to roll it really thin. Now add 2 to 3 teaspoons of copra mixture. Wet one edge like this. Bring the other edge over it and press to seal it well. Now, I will show you 2 ways to finish sealing. See the first method. My mom is an expert at it. She pinches the edges with her fingers like this to get beautiful pleats. This is purely for aesthetic purposes to get pretty Instagram-worthy karjikai. Another simple method for newbies like us. After pressing the edges and sealing them, just run a sharp spoon or knife and cut off the excess. This is enough to seal it properly, though not as pretty. Easy peasy. We have 9 karjikais ready to fry. The oil has been heating in a kadhai. To check if the oil is hot enough, drop a small ball of dough into the oil. If it rises up instantly like this, it means the oil is hot. Now, gently drop in the karjikais one by one. Fry on medium flame till both sides are a light golden brown. See how the karjikais have swollen up and turned crisp? That's what we are aiming for. Now, my mom is frying the second batch also. Our delicious karjikais are ready. Wow, the crust is crunchy and flaky and has such a yummy filling. Perfect. We are all set to make Lord Ganesha happy this year. Do try out this recipe and let me know how you like it in the comment section below. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more such interesting recipes. Happy Ganesh Chathurti and thank you.